Hey, good people, it's your girl, leading lady Dara here, founder of this lovely and wonderful organization, Walk in Them Shoes. Listen, good people, join me as I prepare orders for my self-care subscription boxes. You see, self-care is not selfish, good people. I don't care what nobody's at. You see this beautiful journal I'm putting in this satin bag? Yep, It's about journaling. It's about taking care of yourself. See, self-care is all about taking care of you, yourself, in the most positive way. Now that we got that out the way, let me just share with my entrepreneurs, for those of you who are in business, do not give up on the vision, baby. Do not give up on the vision God gave you, no matter what. Here's why. One, because God wants to give you the desires of your heart. Don't take my word for it. Read Psalms 37:4. Two, it won't disappoint you. It won't disappoint you. The word tells us that. Deuteronomy 15:10. Everything your hands touch will be blessed. And three, because your purpose is someone else's hope. Don't take my word for it. Read Psalms 33:11. The plans of the Lord stand firm forever. The purpose is in his heart through all generations. And lastly, number 4, you will be blessed to be a blessing. Romans 8:28 tells us all things work together for the good for those who love the Lord. If it's going to work for me, it's going to work for you. I'm blessed to be a blessing. You see the encouragement, good people? Stay blessed. And remember, take care of yourself. No one will take care of you better than you. Stay blessed, good people. Have a good one.